Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make responsive buttons in Wix Editor. Let's get started. So let's first see some preview of our actual website. So it will load for a while in order to show us a preview. Now we all know that we have a button right here. So if I head over to that specific button right here, as you can see, it is actually quite boring and there's some error in that. So let's head back to our editor. And then we want to make a button that is responsive. So we don't want those things that we can see right here. So what we can do is we can actually head over and make sure to add in a container box that we can hover into. So in order to do that, what we can do is we need to make sure to add those things. So just click on this add elements. And then under the box, you can see the container boxes. Now let's add this right here. So let's drag this and let's put it right here. As you can see, it is quite big, but we can still resize it to however shape we want. So I will just move this right along here in here. So let's move this right here and let's just copy the size of this specific bar. So we have this and we can also change the design for it. So let's change the design and we can also customize the color as well as everything right here. You can change the opacity as well as the fill color. So for me, I'll just choose this one, which is an original black. And then this container box, we can actually add an animation design as well as hover interactions. But first, we need to add in a text. So let's head that over to our add elements. Let's head over to the text and let's head over to this headings right here. So let's head over to this heading 4. I will add this right here. So let's edit this text and let's name it as well start. And then let's change the font of this specific text into this one. So once we have changed that, we also need to change the font size. So let's change the font size and then let's move this specific text in here. So let's move this text in order to correspond to our actual container box. Now, once we have done that, let's click on the container box. Let's click on this hover interactions and then click on get started. And then in here, we can see our hover. Just click on choose effect. And then on the choose effect right here, it can grow, it can shrink, or combination of those. So let's choose this grow right here. And then we can also change the timing of this one. So for example, the duration can be 0.7. And this will actually make this on our queue. So let's try to play this and it will look like this. So we have that. Now let's head over and see a preview of what that will look like. So let's head over to our preview right here and let's wait for this to load. Now we have two buttons right here. So the two buttons that we have, this is the first button, which is quite really boring, while this one stands out once you click on it. So just head over to our editor. And then from in there, you can just click a specific page on the specific button. So just head over and click on that button. And once you have clicked on that button, you should be able to link it. So let's head over and click on it. Click on the container box or just click on the text and then click on the link right here and then link a page that you want to link onto this button. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.